Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. Friends, today I'm going to start a series of lectures on neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro-linguistic programming, commonly it is called as NLP, and NLP was discovered in 1970 by two great individuals, Richard Bandler and John Grinder, who say that NLP is an art of communication. So, to understand the concept of NLP, please focus on three words: neuro, linguistic, and programming. So, when we want to communicate, we need certain information from outside, and these are called as external information. So, external informations are basically given by five basic senses, through eyes, through visual, auditory, kinesthetic, through touch, smell, and taste. So these are the five basic information. So when our brain receives any information from the basic senses, these informations are processed in our brain. And after processing these information, our brain is going to generate an answer inside the brain. So when the answer is generated inside the brain, and this is called as internal representation. So this is the neuro concept. That means the function of the neuro is completed from getting external inputs and to generating the internal answer. That is called internal representation. So the internal answer is now carried outside to the next person. And the way you carry internal answer to the next person, this is called as language. So the language can be in the form of words, language can be in the form of gestures, language can be in the form of body language, voice tone, any other gesture. So the internal answer is carried out through our language to the next person. So sometime what happens, the way we use to transfer the internal answer to the next person may not be perceived as good to the next person. So when your language is not liked by the next person, that means the process of communication is not completed. So what we should do actually, so if you can understand yourself, what kind of person you are, and you also understand the next person. So if you transform the internal answer in a way that should be liked to the next person, that means you should transform your internal answer in such a language that should be loved by the next person. So if you have an ability to transform the internal answer into a desired language for the next one, this ability is called the programming. So in a very simple way, you can define NLP as, if you are going to understand the next person, and if you are going to transform your internal answer according to the next person, and this way of art is called neuro-linguistic programming. So if you will transform the internal answer in a way that is liked by the next person, this ability this ability is called neuro-linguistic programming. So if you will follow this communication way by understanding yourself and understanding others, and you are going to communicate as other people like, that means you will be able to communicate effectively. And this is NLP. So what NLP includes actually? NLP includes all those techniques through which you can understand the next person and understand yourself. And you can also understand the techniques through which you can transform your internal answer according to the next person. So what NLP actually includes? NLP includes two important things: understanding other people and understanding those techniques, those language techniques that should be liked by the next ones. So in the next videos, I will be sharing the techniques and other things which can help you for an effective communication. I mean, which will make you to understand NLP in a way better. I hope you have understand the concept of, I mean, definition of the neuro-linguistic programming. Please stay tuned with me, and I will be sharing all those techniques which are helpful to understand the concept of NLP and obviously for better communication. Thank you.